So how do you actually start using Radioboss? You start by visiting radioboss.fm, and once you're on the landing page, you can see that it has this offer for trying it for free for 14 days. So you have to click on that button, and you're going to see a couple of differentiators here on the different options you have on price and the limits of every option. So just to clarify, the only one that is actually going to allow you to start on the free trial is going to be the small version. So how do you interpret this information? It says that you have unlimited listeners. It means that it's not going to stop you from adding more listeners, but you have something called data transfer. By data transfer, it says you have 1 terabyte of data transfer limit every month, and that gives you around 18,000 listening hours per month. So if you have 18,000 listeners, they're going to be able to listen, every one of them, 1 hour of your radio every month, because that's the limit. And actually, you click here, you're going to understand more about it and have more information on what happens once you reach that limit. Besides that, you have this storage space. Radioboss allows you to have a radio working, like playing music, even when you have everything shut off, you have your computer off. You have this space where you can store audio files like music and tracks and whatever you need. And so you can program those files to start playing every time you are away. And so it's going to be super easy to set everything up when you're not actually broadcasting live. So yeah, that's the limit here that says 15 gigabytes. It's around 3,000 music tracks. Of course, it depends on the length and the quality of those tracks. So to get started, we click on order. And once we have clicked on order, it's going to take us to a shopping cart here. And it's going to say here the billing cycle. And the only option you have to have it for free for 14 days is to choose this billing cycle. You have to choose the location that is nearest to you. I'm going to choose North America. That supposedly it's going to lower the latency or the time it takes for the information to arrive physically from where you are to the server. And if you are near North America, it's better to choose North America. If you're near to Europe, you better choose Europe. So let's click and continue. And once you are in this page, you're going to see that it applied a promo code called trial2, and it has a 100% one-time discount that actually makes your order summary be to zero. So if you click on checkout, then you are asked for all your personal information, billing address, password, and because it's actually zero, your payment details are not needed, and an option to join the mailing list. Once you complete the order, I'm going to show you the panel that it's going to get you. So this actually is my my account that I did for testing. And you can see here that here it's going to show you your active products and services. And you click here, it's going to take you to this page where it has a summary of when I did the registration, the first payment, the recurring payment, the billing cycle. And this portal, this site, it's mostly for billing. If you want to actually manage this Radioboss instance, you have to click here in Open Control Panel, and it's going to take you to this interface where you have control of what is going on with the radio. So if I click on play here, you're going to actually listen what I currently did set up in this radio. I have just 2 tracks that are constantly looping. So how did I did that? I went here over to media, and on media, I started uploading files. So I clicked here on upload files, and I uploaded these 2 files. Then I created a new playlist and set a name. And once I set a name on the playlist, I started adding songs to that playlist by clicking on the songs. And you can actually have some functionality here to repeat the playlist and just do it randomly. That's what I did here. And you can actually read the manual for doing that. It's not very hard. And if you need any further help in it, it's very easy to actually read the manual. Other thing that is very important here is in settings, you can actually change your station information. The name of the station, this is actually displayed on the clients or the people that actually are listening to your stream. They're going to see this name, the description you put here, and the URL, of course, the genre. So yeah, that's the way this part of the configuration work, the settings. And if you want to actually connect it to your computer and start streaming, so I'm going to actually do that. You need another piece of software that is a client. So how do you actually do that? The first thing is you go over here to information, and you're going to see that here are the listen links. So if you share any of these links, let's try this. If you open this link, you can actually listen to the radio right now. So you can share the link. I'm actually already shared it to my phone, so I can do this test of actually streaming from this computer that is recording right now the video to the server and listening that in my phone. So I need a piece of software. I use this software called Bot. So here's this the software. It's pretty simple, let's say, but pretty functional. And once you have it installed, you can start the program. And I'm going to close this. Okay, so I have it here, and as you can see, once I open it, it's actually looking at my microphone. It's connected to my microphone, and I have here the ability to change the settings of Bot. I can change the audio device that is using. It's actually using my default device that is, of course, my microphone. And I can add a server here, and I click on add. I'm going to add Radioboss test 3, and here is the information I need for doing that. So on server type, I select ICECast. On server address, I copy this and paste it here. On address, on port, I copy this and paste it here. And on password, I'm going to show it here, copy, paste. And the mount point is very important, live. So I'm changing here the IceCast mount point from stream to live and leaving this as source because that's the way it works. So let's click on add, and once I have added it, it's going to select it for me. So I close here, and if I start on this play button here, it's going to connect to this server, and I will actually start streaming my voice there. So let's, I'm going to open my, this stream, the radio stream on my phone, so you can actually listen. And once I open it, you're going to listen what is currently streaming. So let's open it. And okay, let's click on play. And now you can listen, right? there is some royalty-free music that I downloaded there. And if once I click here on connect to server, it's going to start streaming, but it will take a little bit of time to actually start streaming to my broadcast, right? So I'm going to stop that. It will take a little bit of time to actually start streaming to my broadcast, right? So I'm going to stop that. So as you can see, it was very easy, and it actually interrupts the music. The music you listen is the music that was played um, before when I was actually saying things. So it has a little bit of delay, but it's actually pretty easy to get started with this. And with this basic setup, you can make it as complicated as you want, because you can add a mixer and several microphones and anything else you might need for your radio. So that's it, and good luck setting it up. If you have if you have any doubts or any comments, or if anything is not clear enough, you can just simply write below your doubts, and we're happy to answer them. Good luck.